Welcome to our educational journey into the realm of natural law, as explained by the eminent philosopher Thomas Aquinas. In this video, we will explore the concept of natural law, its origins, and its relevance in understanding ethics and governance. Natural law has been a philosophical inquiry since the ancient times, but it was Thomas Aquinas who provided one of the most important formulations during the Middle Ages.
Let's dive into the concept of natural law. Do you know what is natural law? Let's try to ask someone. Let's find out. Any idea what is natural law?
For me, natural law is an observable law that is relating for natural phenomena.
Okay, thank you for your nice idea.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. Excuse me, sir. Do you
Yes.
have any idea of what is natural law?
Natural law, I think, Thomas Aquinas.
Sir, thank you.
think natural law is related to the physical law of nature.
Okay, sir, thank you. Since we have heard a lot of opinion about natural law, to fully understand it, let's ponder.
Oh, did you know that natural law is an idea that there is a universal principles inherent in nature that governs human behavior and morality? So it means to say that the golden rule of natural law states that people are naturally inclined to do good and to avoid evil.
Thomas Aquinas is a medieval philosopher and a theologian who believed that natural law is derived from God's divine wisdom and accessible to human reason. Aquinas noted 5 principles of natural inclination. First, the good. We are always inclined to do the good. Second, life. We seek to preserve our life. Third, procreation. We are inclined to continue our species through sex. Fourth, social life. We depend on others to survive. Of course, no man is an island. Fifth, knowledge. We are naturally curious to discover things in the world through reason.
These 5 inclinations serve as the fundamental guidelines for human flourishing, moral conduct, and ethical decision making. So, how does understanding the natural law impact our ethical decision making?
Well, the natural law suggested that there is this inherent moral principle in the universe, like the idea of how humans have inherent dignity. So, understanding these principles guides us to our decisions that aligns with these principles.
So, it's like having a moral compass based on the natural order of things.
Exactly. It helps us see beyond personal desires and cultural norms and make decisions that contributes positively to the overall harmony and well-being.
Pag sinabi nating internal law, it is the whole plan of the creation itself. Then we have also the natural law. It includes the rational being in the internal law, or the rational being included in the creation or the whole plan of the creation itself. Then we have also the divine law. The divine law, that these are the laws that reveals through divine revelation, such in the Old and New Testaments. This is, for example, your Bible. Then we have also the last one, which is the human law. It is the application of your natural law through the various levels of particular communities.
In conclusion, Thomas Aquinas' theory of natural law offers a valuable insight for our order of the universe and our place within. By adhering to its principle, we can strive toward virtuous and harmonious society.
Excuse me, miss. Pitakan niyo po.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're
Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Remember, the pursuit of virtue and common goods begins with understanding and embracing the natural law.